4, 3, 2, 1.
Protect the furnace at all costs!
Split. Yeah. That's soon.
Crap! Beware.
Good on the balance, right on this side. Engineer. He's going for that repair. Good job. One bag.
Beware.
I'll watch it now, guys. We could accidentally go over. We've got a bag right near it.
Both regulators are getting lowish on health. New operators, get them down quick. Repair, get him interrupted. I'm on my side, thank you.
I'm not bombing this.
We can bomb one more, but then we're going to.
Yeah, you can fit 2 more bombs in each regulator. I think. Well, 3 and then they're dead.
Right, I'm doing this one.
Our operator's dead. Whenever yours is dead, you can transition it.
30%.
No, it's not, it's 12%. 2 more bombs on your side, whenever.
Go for it.
We need one more, that's it. Martin, yeah.
Cool, transition. VGG Ramus. Stun the ads.
Crap! Get it under control!
If that elemental's on a range, get it to the engineer quick, please. Stunning them. Right, moving Feldspar over. Can we get this elemental, please? Whoever he's on.
Watch the bomb bags, guys.
He's on flaps, interrupt it, flaps go to the elementalist. Someone interrupt him again, good. Alright, get him down, get ready for the burn. Oh, no, don't move away, stay there. Ready. And go.
Mind your range, mind your range.
Good job on the burn, very easy burn. Fire caller's dead, get that elemental to the next one. Him, whoever he's on, biceps. Interrupt him, good job. Get that fire caller dead, quick. And now the elemental. Ready for the burn. Go. Oh, it's gone back up. What the fuck? Get that new elemental down. Quick.
3 security guards, so I'm going to need to clear after this.
Yeah. Ready? Finish him off. Go. Go kill the security guards. Bring the elemental to the thingy. This one. Don't kill him yet though. Okay, go onto the. I'll just finish off the fire caller. Ready for the burn? Go. Good job. Fire corners. Bring an elementalist to thingy. Try and get the guards down as well. Oh, there's only one.
2.
Oh, there's 2 now. Okay. Elemental a bit closer, please. Start the security guards. Get the elemental down. This one. Kill him. Ready with the burn. And go. Good job. Get the fire corners down. Get all the ads down.
Watch your melts now. Keep your melts in the corners.
Did you? One more security guard. Oh well, okay. Good, just keep it on the boss.
You want to melt, Martin?
Move the boss a little bit.
Try and keep your melts around the edges.
Taunting soon. Got him. There's a melt there, I'm moving him.
2 or 3 henners.
2. It should have dropped by the time he puts a new one on you. Move a bit more.
Doing so.
A little bit. I'll do. Taunted.
Melt, melt, melt.
Getting a bit crowded.
Moving him. Everything you've got left, guys, is about to go mental. Where's Flux? Quick, someone. Martin, you have to do it.
Got another melt coming from the door. Get moving around.
Moving badly.
Move quick. I've VG'd you.
Watch it flaps, you got a melt on there.
Don't go in the melt. Taunted. Come on guys, everything you've got. We're going to run out of room here. Everything you've got. Put a melt in the fire if you've got an immunity. You can put melts in the fire if you've got a damage reduction. Okay, I don't need it right now. Come on guys, everything you've got. Vigi me now. That's it, that's it! Yes guys! Yes! Fucking hell, finally! Yes! That's the hype. Fuck yes.
I got coins. Fuck you.
Oh man, bad luck. We got him down though, yes!